Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for joining me today in this video. Today I am going to talk to you about the 7 C's of communication. Now in everyday lives, as we've discussed before, that effective communication is very crucial, isn't it? Not just in our day-to-day lives, but especially at our workplace. Now what do we do to enhance our productivity? Now what we can do is make sure that our communication is clear so that our audience can understand us. Now how do we do that? That is where the 7 C's of communication has a role to play. Now coming to the 7 C's of communication. Now where do we apply the 7 C's of communication? In everyday basis, we write a lot of emails, we make reports, we attend meetings, participate in conference calls, make presentations. That is where we need to apply the 7 C's of communication. Now let's get to the 7 C's. What are they? First is clear, second is concise, third is concrete, then comes correctness, then comes coherent, then comes complete, then lastly it is courteous. Now let's discuss this 7 C's of communication briefly. I'm going to explain all of it very briefly, nothing too long. Okay, let's start with the first one, clear. First point is being clear. You need to be very clear about the purpose of the message, the goal of the message that you're sending to, whether it is written or you're talking to someone. You need to be very clear about it. Second, you should ask yourself, why are you communicating with this person? What is it that you need to tell them? Okay, now make sure whatever you are telling them, it is easy enough for them to understand. They shouldn't be guessing or reading between your sentences and having their own version of what you're trying to tell. That is how you need to be clear about your messages. Now the second point is concise. This means your message needs to be very to the point and very brief, where you can explain a message through 3 sentences. You don't have to write 6 sentences. What you can do is remove certain adjectives or sentence fillers like I know, definitely, maybe, other adjectives like that. Now second thing is, you should not be repetitive. You should not keep saying the same thing in different ways. Try to be concise by putting your message in a very small sentence. That's how you need to be concise. Now the third point is being concrete. Your message needs to be concrete. That means it has to be rock solid. It should have all the details and requirements, everything the audience needs to know. That is how your message has to be concrete. Only then your audience has a clear picture of what you are trying to tell them. If there is a call to action involved, they will be able to do what you have asked them to do if you have all the details given. Now the fourth point is correctness or being correct. If your message is correct, it fits your audience. What I mean to say is, your message should be error free. How can your message be error free? By removing any kind of grammatical errors. If you are using any technical words, you should understand if the audience who is sitting, will they be able to understand. So you need to choose your words accordingly. Next is, check all the spellings of the titles and topics that you have chosen to tell them. Next, what you can do is check for pronunciations. You need to pronounce the words correctly. Only then your audience will understand you properly. So the message needs to be correct so that they will understand it properly. Coming to the 5th C of communication, which is coherent. Now your message needs to be coherent. What coherent means is, everything needs to be connected. It should be relevant to the topic what you're talking about. Each sentence should be connected to each other. That is how it will make sense. the flow of the sentences, the tone of the sentences, everything needs to be coherent. That is only when the audience will understand it properly. Now the sixth point is complete or completeness. The message that you're giving to your audience needs to be totally complete. It needs to have all the information the audience need to understand. If there is some action to be taken place, they should know what they are going to do. They should understand your message properly. So when you're giving the message, for example, you might have to give them names, contact list, times, dates, location, etc. So you have to be very clear. It should contain all the information that is required. So the message will be complete. Now coming to the last C, which is being courteous. Now the seventh point is courteous. The message, when you say the message should be courteous, means it needs to be friendly, open and honest. There should be no insults, hidden insults involved in the message. And you need to keep in consideration the viewpoint of your audience. You need to be empathetic about their thoughts. You need to maintain humility. That is what courteous means. So with this we come to the end of all the 7 C's. What we have to do is, whatever we are doing, whether writing a mail or presenting report or attending a meeting, anywhere, all you have to do is prepare a checklist to just a quick run through. For whatever you're doing, apply these 7 C's. Just make sure what you're passing across is in all ways proper, so that the audience will understand. It will enhance your productivity. Now with that, I conclude today's topic. If you've liked my video, please press the like button, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Until next video, keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you soon.